don't assume it's impossible to be sub-30. It just takes time. It takes years even of practice. It could be done in months, but that's depending on how much we practice. So I'm going to do a couple CFOP solves, and I'm going to go painfully slow, or just very slow at least. Okay. So cross is done. First pair. Second pair. Third pair. Fourth pair. OLL. PLL. So there's subs 30. I'll do another one. Cross. There's the second pair. Third pair. Fourth pair. That might be the same OLL. F pair. I'm gonna try Rusolve. Ru will typically be fewer moves. See what we got here. There's Ru. So yeah, have fun with it. Don't stress too much about it.